हेलो मेट, व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज बात करेंगे एक ऐसे कॉमन टॉपिक के बारे में जिससे हर किसी को नीड है, दैट इज डिसिप्लिन। डिसिप्लिन इज अ लेवल अप स्किल। इट्स अ थिंग दैट यू कैन अडेप्ट ऑन योरसेल्फ लाइक अ वीडियो गेम। जैसे तुम वीडियो गेम में लेवल अप करते जाते हो, इन अ रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो यू कैन अडेप्ट डिसिप्लिन टू गेट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स दैट you want. For me, my example, I adapted discipline on my communication skills. Like I can talk freely to you right now, but ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके मतलब अपने आप नहीं हुए. I adapted everything जो मेरे को पता था. I started recording myself in public places, and that's how I build my discipline. And that's how I am achieving things and results I want to be. You need to focus on all good things in your life, like good habits, overcoming challenges. And that is what will be separate you from successful people to unsuccessful people, because unsuccessful people में discipline and motivation नहीं होता. That's why they are lazy. That's why they don't want to get to gym. That's why they don't want to work on themselves. Discipline leads to self-respect and enjoyment of hard work. अगर तुम imagine करो, अगर तुम discipline से चीज़ से कुछ काम कर रहे हो and you are achieving results. For me, I achieve results on my communication skills. I achieve results on my body. सो अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे तुम्हें खुद ही इतनी हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी, लाइक यू विल गेट मोटिवेटेड अपने आप. पीपल से कि मोटिवेशन आएगी जब मैं डिसिप्लिन करूँगा, बट मोटिवेशन एंड डिसिप्लिन आर टू डिफरेंट एंटायर थिंग्स. मोटिवेशन नहीं आती ऐसे, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट एक टाइम के बाद, सर्टेन टाइम के बाद डिसिप्लिन जब बिल्डअप करता रहता है तो मैं रिजल्ट देखने लगता है. जब अपने आप तुम्हारे लाइफ में मोटिवेशन इतनी इजीली आती है ना, यू कैन लाइक डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट थिंग एंड यू जस्ट सिंपली make it so much beneficial. Up leave this video and you can go watch another creator that will say कि 2 दिन में रिजल्ट मिल जाएंगे. डिसिप्लिन कभी भी 2 दिन में रिजल्ट कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे तुम्हें. Start small and build your momentum धीरे. Like start by recording yourself 1 hour a day. Start by going to gym like 15 minutes a day. But just start and it will build your momentum as initially धीरे. Focus on not many things at start, but just focus on 2-3 things that you want to improve in your life right now and stay consistent on that. Note, consistency is the most important thing, as consistency result देगी तुम्हें. I have heard of this thing in a book called Atomic Habits. अगर चीज build करते हो, it just take 21 days to build a habit. Can you even imagine, तुम 21 days you're just waking up, you're doing your work, and 21 days बाद it's part of your regular routine. The discipline muscle is that strengthens your willpower. willpower क्या होती है? तुम्हारी करने की इच्छा. तुम किसी चीज को करना चाहते हो and you are not compelled to, like तुम्हारी लाइफ ऐसे चल रही है, मॉर्निंग में उठ ही नहीं पा रहे हो because it's a new thing for you. Adapt to certain things ना. Consistent action, like even small, build this muscle. Do meditation to build this muscle. Discipline in one area अगर तुम लगाओगे भी ना, that will give you positive impacts on other areas also, ताकि तुम एक में चेक कर पा रहे हो and you can adapt that same protocol in another area and perspective of your life. You just need to try this discipline in one area like that you want to achieve right now. You want me to advise you, like build a body, build your body. If you build your body through discipline and consistency, you will automatically be ahead of n number of people in your life, and then you will adapt that discipline in your work, in your dream life that you want to build, and then you will get these amazing and mind-blowing results. तुमने खुद नहीं सोचेंगे that you are achieving those results. But the thing is, you need to ignore your ego and start the fundamentals. Don't try extreme feats of discipline eventually. Like तुम सोच रहे हो कि मैं एक ही दिन में 10 किलोमीटर मैराथन रन कर लूँगा and I'm gonna get अपने जिम का सबसे हैवी वेट उठाता है. It doesn't build like that, okay? Ignore your ego and focus on small. Even small like 2.5 kg के डंबल हैं तो मैं स्टार्टिंग में तो वही करने वाली. Even I did that. My arms fall up. उसमें पूरे like first week में I wasn't able to lift my arm भी, and I was like, should I quit? Should I not? Should I quit? Should I not? And I quit it after a month. And फिर I was like, what the fuck, man? I want to achieve my physique that I want. Guess what? I joined again on track, and that's how discipline works. Focus on small, even consistent daily action results into long-time investment goals. चाहे in reading a book दे रहे हो या in reading some particular thing that you want to achieve दे रहे हो, तो you will level up. Level 1, तुम वीडियो गेम्स खेलते हो, राइट? ये सब नहीं खेले हुए बचपन में, लाइक क्लैश ऑफ क्लैंस, द मोस्ट बेस्ट एंड लाइफ चेंजिंग गेम जो इस पर्सपेक्टिव में तुम्हें बताता हूँ. क्लैश ऑफ क्लैंस में क्या होता है? यू स्टार्ट विद टाउन हॉल बनना, एंड फिर धीरे धीरे करके यू बिल्ड अप डिफेंसेस, योर अटैक स्ट्रेटेजी, योर ट्रूप्स, एंड like anything, you can adapt that into your life. You are your town hall, and your troops are your actions, and your defense are your like habits and virtuality, like you're building, your being foundation you're building, and that's how you will achieve results. And उसके बाद you will get results, but not, you will not see a result in a day. And same thing with Clash of Clans. अगर use your builder to like make that thing into like next level पे, like I still remember 10 से ले जाने से 11 पे I took me 11 days. So yeah, if you adapt that 11 days into your life doing something, the power of small wins. अभी जैसे हम small wins की बात करते थे, if we achieve certain thing into Clash of Clans game का example, and तुम real life में the small win लगाओगे, like every follow up commitment, like कितना भी small हो तुम्हारा, you build your momentum, okay, and by building momentum you automatically adapt certain habits into life. You just do simple habits, okay, simple action, simple habit. Make your bed every day when you wake up and do one push up every day. These are victories for your discipline. And if you achieve certain level in your life now that you thought कि यार मैं तो ये कर ही नहीं पाता, celebrate your victories. Even चाहे I won't say कि तुम अपनी फिजिक बना रहे हो, don't, they will obviously suggest कि इतना जंक फूड मत खाओ, but if you achieve certain thing in your life that you thought कि हाँ I achieved something, have a treat for yourself. Even I did it. I love sweets, okay, I love chocolates. If you want to stay healthy, can't eat chocolate, but if I achieve certain milestone in my life that I thought कि मैं तो ये कर ही नहीं पाता, I identify your brain, like what are the things that you shift towards your comfort and ease. Like you need to train yourself to ignore laziness and resistance. Like laziness is the one of the most harmful thing that will affect you and तुम्हें अपने achieve goal करने में तुम्हें वो रोकेगा. That's the thing. But you need to train yourself. The more you resist ना, the weaker your Jeffrey brain becomes. अगर तुम like you don't want to wake up and you don't want to go, you resist that कि हाँ मेरे को नहीं जाना है, चलो even for 15 minutes let go for a walk. Your Jeffrey brains shut down himself. Starting is often the hardest part of discipline, but if you push past the initial stage now, it is so easy. And this is the like one of the most biggest misconception like people think about these days, that discipline versus motivation. It's not like that, okay? Discipline and motivation are two entirely different things. Discipline is acting regardless of feelings, and motivation is fleeting, like you don't slowly rely on it. Discipline is showing up every day even you don't feel like it, and doing the work when you are not even motivated. And motivation is what? Like it's a certain adrenaline in your body, like okay, that person is achieving this thing in my life, should I do it? And मेरे को भी result मिल गया, that is motivation. And tell me motivation will last? No, it won't last. तुम अपनी लाइफ में खुद ही अडेप्ट करके देख लिया होगा, like it won't last. It is just a simple thing and it doesn't even last long. Okay, these are some recap things that are from my video. Discipline is a level up skill, okay, through consistent hard work and consistency. Alright guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही है. I hope आपको ये कंटेंट काफ़ी हेल्पफुल लगा होगा. मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स में बताओ कि how you like the video and क्या तुम अपने स्टेज पे अप करने वाले जो तुम डिसिप्लिन से लेवल अप करना चाहते हो. एज ऑलवेज थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड और मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वन में मिलूंगा. डू द हार्ड वर्क स्पेशली इफ यू डोंट फील लाइक.